Old Essex County Jail. They made a new one, but this is the ruins of it. This is kind of a last minute idea, so I don't even know the info about this place too much. Dude, this place is nuts already. Okay, I think I see the entrance. Yeah, you can definitely tell this place is old. This place is crazy looking. Dude, screw that. Come in here. Why? 20-foot drop? Well, today's a lucky day. Wow, this place is really something else. Completely falling apart. And now we're gonna try to go up these stairs over here. Hopefully the steps hold. Yeah, they're actually all metal. Yeah. Dude, wow. Yeah, really. I gotta watch my steps. Never been into a abandoned jail before. Dude. That looks like one of the cells right here. Wow, dude, the ceiling is not good. Yeah, it's holding pretty good. Dude, I just feel...
Well, look at that side. It's missing a stair that's snapped out.
Oh, yeah. Wow, look at this, like, engineering right here. Levers. That's to lock them all up. That's what yeah. Take a look what's over there. Kind of place you really need a hard hat. Just look at that. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't want a big ass beam fall on my head. So I'm gonna walk underneath this right here.
Sounds good.
You can really see this one fell.
Yeah. There's two. There's one dangling too.
God.
So you're about to walk right under the dam.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Suspended by the end.
Yeah.
Actually, if I go here and then along the wall.
I'm gonna run over there really quick. This room right here. Wow, dude, this one's messed up. These stairs, this section's more rotted out. More switches, more levers. Yeah, let's go back the other way. Yeah, over here you can see sections of like where people cut it out, scrapped it. Look how the windows caved in. It fell down. Let's go that way more. Let's go back to this main area.
It's like,
So we still need to explore over there. We still haven't been back there. Let's take a look. Dude, this is like all ruins. Got ivy growing on there. So much rust, so much just wood broken up. Yeah, what's up with that?
This entire side has glass floor panels.
Oh, so you can see what's going on up and down, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, this must be a newer wing.
Probably.
Yeah, this must be a newer wing, so all the guards can see what's going on above the wing.
I wonder if you go outside from here. Dude, look at that. Right there.
The roots coming in.
Yeah.
Dude, that looks like something straight out of Jumanji.
Yeah.
Literally like fucking the movie Jumanji. Or maybe something else I'm thinking of.
Like some ancient ruins. Yeah, the roots are coming out.
The roots are
Yeah, there's trees growing on top of
There's
this building.
trees growing on the roof of the building, and the roots are coming in and crackling through the brick. Literally powering their way through the brick. That's, like I said, nature takes everything.
That's
back.
insane. That's like a little courtyard out here, but I don't know how to get outside.
And so dawns the problem of a prison.
Pretty much.
Get out. There's the way out. Look at that. Oh, look at the propane tank.
But just look at that.
Well, what was once a staircase.
Yeah, that's really rotted out.
Recreation grounds. That's the wall. Prevent you from getting out. That's what this is. This is outdoor recreation grounds.
Yeah.
And they would have outdoor time.
Yeah, probably a little courtyard just to like hang out. Dude, this is crazy. Look how it looks like from the outside. It says something up there. For what? What? Warden's office. That's the warden's office.
Says that right? Oh shit, it does.
Yeah, right above it. Right there.
That's like the word. Yeah.
That is the basement. Just the basement over there. How's the basement look?
There's more cells down here.
This is crazy.
There's a few more cells over there. Almost
There
like,
is, right?
Almost like isolation cells.
Probably, definitely isolation cells down here. That is insane. It has to be, probably. It looks like you can close them up, like there used to be gates on them.
Yep, there was gates on this one still has the brackets too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're right.
They're basically the isolation cells.
Dude,
for
this would be
those
a
who are
messed up
severely
place to be
ill.
put in.
I wouldn't want to be down here. There's another entrance from the main building. From
Yeah.
the main offices, that's how they would come in. And we came
Oh yeah, we can't even get out here.
We came in through the outdoor entrance. This would have been indoors.
Yeah. Alright, back out we go. Watch out for all this frickin' crap
Watch
hanging
out
out.
for pipes and ceiling falling off your head. Look at the concrete. This floor is about to cave in.
Oh,
Give it
yeah.
Give it another 10 years, that probably won't be in.
Well, that basement was quite interesting. But probably the unsafest place to be in this whole place.
Holy crap.
Right?
I saw pictures of this on the internet, these stairs here.
Yeah.
This is the whole other wing. This is the last wing we haven't explored yet.
Oh yeah, that's
So
probably
this
it.
Is, this is the last wing we haven't explored yet.
Let's go outside. Another section out here. Dude, that just looks crazy from the outside. Maybe like a lunchroom in here. Let's go check it out. Oh, dude, this place looks cool. Look at that. What was that? A chalkboard? No, not a chalkboard.
Or a classroom.
That's what I'm thinking, classroom.
That looks like a chalkboard almost, doesn't it?
That's what I thought at first, a chalkboard. Is that actually a chalkboard or just like... It looks like sandpaper now. It probably was a chalkboard.
These stairs are not screwed up. So we
There
should
we
be
go.
able to actually get to the second floor.
Yeah, let's do it up.
Possible.
You saying these stairs aren't messed up? Freaking dirty. That's one thing for sure.
Yeah, these stairs are another level of dirty. Actually, hold on. Let me just inspect the bottoms of them.
Yeah, inspect the bottom.
Before you go climbing. Oh,
Huh. Structurally stable or not so much?
I don't know.
You don't know?
All I know is when you get to the platform, there's no rust. And
Okay.
There's 3 stairs over there. There's no rust.
Oh man.
These are all rusted. They don't look deadly rusted yet. But judging by the fact you went up there, I think you're okay.
Structurally stable or not, I'm right up here. Oh yeah, this is the second floor right here. The outside world.
Oh, it's definitely the rec room.
I don't know if I should even risk going. Nah, definitely not. I
You
can't.
wanna go on the roof?
Yeah, dude, no, I don't need that. Yeah, I don't need.
It's not even open.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, there's no even point of doing that.
Open. I don't know if you're gonna make it or
Nice
something.
skylight though.
It is a nice skylight. I love how the skylight is part as well.
Yeah, like well, we're
Take a look
gonna
at these guys. The skylight.
get
is
out from the skylight. You kidding me?
Hey, you know what? You never know what kind of prisoner you have. You might have Jet Li in here. Who knows? Or Jackie Chan.
For the craziest prisoners. That is where we were before.
Actually, were we even in this part? Oh yeah.
Yeah, we were.
This is that boarded
Technically,
off
if we go
place.
this way, we'll be up in the front. Dude, look at this thing.
Where they like bought smokes and stuff like that.
No, I think this is like how you. Maybe, possibly.
I don't know.
This is the exit right here. Well, not the exit, but
One of the.
this is the main area.
Hallway corridor. Beautiful. We're right back to the main area again. And we haven't died or fallen into a pit or fallen through stairs or fallen through floors yet.
So far, so good. Let's not jinx it. Let's get out of here. Well, we're gonna make our way outside. Take some drone footage. Hope you guys enjoyed the adventure. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Subscribe. I'm always out going places. And catch you on the next adventure. Have a good one.